Good evening. My name is Latrina. I have a business here in Frederick, Maryland, and I've been reaching out to small businesses and providing free custom videos with some tips and tricks to improve your online presence. There's no selling in this video whatsoever. I'm making these as a courtesy and as a value and service to our communities after the pandemic. However, your feedback is important to me so that I can continue to improve these. So when you're done looking at it, please shoot me a quick email to let me know if you thought it was helpful or not. Thank you. Let's get started. So what I'll cover is content, backlinks, and citations and why these are very important website elements for you to have. We'll go over your company's online presence and recommendations for improvement. So content is anything on your website, the words, the images, the videos. They allow you to get the relevant keywords onto your website so that Google can crawl your site and know exactly what it is you do. You need at least 1,500 words on your homepage and at least 500 on your back pages. Then there are citations, which are just listings and directories like Google or Yelp. It includes your business name, address, and phone number. I have a sample on the screen here for you. You want to have as many of these as you can get on the internet and even more than your competitors. And then finally, backlinks are the placement of your website onto other website addresses. For example, if you have a Facebook page, Yelp, LinkedIn, Instagram, any of those, these are backlinks that are helping to direct traffic to your website. The more backlinks you have, the more popular your website becomes on the internet. Google places high emphasis on how many backlinks a company's website has. So the more you have, the more validation Google gives your business. So let's take a peek here. So when we go to Google, and I do a search for quality collision repair, I couldn't find a website for you. So my first recommendation for you is to get a website. It doesn't have to be all fancy, but you do want to have a website because Google is looking for those to validate a business. You look legitimate. The more the more links you have, the more backlinks you have, citations, and an actual website, then Google considers you to be a legitimate company. When you don't have a website, then Google questions that and doesn't really send you the traffic that you deserve. So when we do a search, auto body repair in Frederick, Maryland, this is kind of what we see. We see ads at the very top. Those are companies who are paying for ads. The ads are okay, but they're not necessarily getting in front of the customers. Some people have ad blockers, so they don't see those. Also, ads are generated and appear at random, so you're not exactly sure when your ads will be in front of customers. The prime real estate is what we call the map pack, and this is where Google places their top 3 competitors in that niche, in that service area for that area. So we have Frederick Auto Body, Top Gun Collision Repair, Modern Auto Body. They are ranking right now and are listed in the map pack. And the map pack is prime real estate because 30 to 40% of the traffic occurs right here. Also, Google continues to rank businesses on their pages and lists them in the order of preference. So you want to have your business listed on the first couple of pages of Google. Beyond that, it's questionable whether people will actually see your listing at all. So first 2 pages, you want to get there in the map pack. Now, to get there, you just need to do the little things that I'm sharing. First of all, website. You need a website. You need 1,500 words on your homepage and at least 500 on your back pages. And I'm going to show you why this is important. So if we look at one of the top competitors that's in that map pack area, that area right here, we see that right now they have a popularity ranking of 0.8. That's from 1 to 100. Not very impressive, and actually you can actually outrank them pretty easily by doing the things that I've recommended. If you see right now, even with their low ranking, they're in the map pack, but they're not doing the best things. They're not optimized for Google. And even still, they're getting about 89 or so clicks per day, between 84 and 89 clicks per day. Now, if you do these things, and build out a website, add organic keywords, you can grab a lot of this traffic. So let me show you how. If right now, here, these are called organic keywords. These are the types of things that people are typing into Google. So for example, Frederick Body Shop, 70 people search that term a month. This company is listed number 34. That's not very impressive. Auto Body Repair, Frederick, Maryland, 20 people search that. They're number 25. Body Shops, Frederick, Maryland, 150 people search for that term. They're number 24. If you notice, the only one there where they're really ranked high is Frederick Auto Body, Frederick, Maryland. But only 30 people are searching that, and they're number 6. So you'd want to get as many of these keywords as you can. Look, windshield repair, 100 people search that. They're number 77. These are all keywords that you can put on your website so that Google will know, hey, Quality Collisions can do these services. Let's put their website in front of these people who are looking for these types of services. Right? So that's my feedback for you. You don't have a website, but you can certainly get one and rank and be more competitive. And hopefully that would translate to more customers for you. I hope this has been helpful. Please let me know. Shoot me an email afterwards to tell me if you thought it was helpful or not. And that's it. I wish you the very best. If I can clarify anything for you, please let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.